Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I have to apologize. I'm sorry that I'm away today. I forgot to tell you about it on Friday, but I'm actually going to be away. I'm just away this last period because I'm over at Sandalwood Heights Secondary School doing a presentation to their entire staff of teachers. So don't forget to ask me how it went when I see you again tomorrow. I know that I'm away, and this is the first time I've been away, but I want you to remember that doesn't really change anything. I mean, I still have very high expectations for how you're going to behave and how you're going to learn. So I just want you to remember those things as you go through today, and keep in mind what we've talked about in terms of how we treat visitors to our classroom. Today is going to be a few things. We're actually starting into chemistry. I know that we were going to be working on the videos, but because I can't be away, because I'm away, we can't work on the videos today, so we'll work on those tomorrow. So today we're going to actually start into some chemistry. And there's a couple of things that I want you to do, and most of it is fairly independent work. So this is a good opportunity for you to practice, your ability to work independently and sit and think and really try and figure some things out. Of course, you can talk to other people if you need a little bit extra help, but more or less I'm looking to see that you've been sitting and you've been trying to work on stuff on your own. So today's work is actually pretty straightforward. I think a lot of it will be review for you. The first thing we're going to do is there's going to be an article reading. So this is something that everybody's going to do. And you can just read it out as a class, one paragraph at a time. And afterwards, you'll have a chance to just debrief some questions that the covering teacher can read out to you. So that'll be good just to get your mind thinking about chemistry and elements and compounds and all that sort of stuff. So it's a good intro. After that, though, it's going to be textbook stuff. And so I've created a sheet here that's going to guide you through what you're doing in the textbook. So the textbook, if you didn't already know, is this one here. Okay, and it's you can get it in the cupboard in the classroom. And every student's going to need one. And all of this is going to be reading on page 164 and 165. Looks like this. Okay, you'll recognize it when you see it. So it's just really that one page of reading. And what I've designed is that on this sheet, you basically would fill in the blanks. So this sheet has the sentences that are similar to the ones in the textbook. Not exactly the same, but when you read the textbook, you're going to pick up the key words, and you can use them to fill in the sheet. There's also a few places in the dark boxes where I want you to answer some questions to see if you're understanding it. And then at the very bottom of the page, there's a few homework questions that you can do on the back of the sheet. Okay? This is what I want you to do throughout the entire period. I'm going to ask that the covering teacher will collect this back because I really want to see how much you were able to get done today. So keep that in mind. It's not something that's for marks. It's because it's all about reviewing and getting back into the swing of science. But this is probably a really good opportunity for you to impress upon me that you're a good student and that you really do want to do well in this class. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys produce. I hope that you have a good day. Again, I'm sorry I had to be away, but I'm looking forward to seeing you guys all again tomorrow. Okay, good luck.